tide. 'Cause he's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes. And he could be what I like, what I like, what I like. But he's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes.
Hey guys, just pop in to say thanks for checking out my video. And if you liked it, hit the like button. And if you want to see more, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell button so you get notified when I have a new video. So let's get back to it. Thanks again, guys.
Wonder if God got a plan for everyone. I wonder if I could take a second run. 'Cause I carry on getting sad and getting stuck. What I wouldn't give for a life that doesn't suck. I'm a moving target. I never finish what I've started. I'm a moving target. But if I stop moving, then I'll have to face myself. I don't wanna face myself.